Hey YouTube, it's Nick. I just got a fish, shrimp. Actually, two different types of shrimp. I'm gonna be opening up the orange-eyed blue tiger shrimp. I got 12 of them, I think. I've never actually had this type of shrimp. The only shrimp I've actually had has been a cherry shrimp, which I actually got today also. I do have blue bolts and a golden bee coming in pretty soon. But I'm actually looking forward to seeing what these look like. There's a lot of paper mache in here for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take all this out and then I'll come back with the video. Alright, I'm back. That was really annoying. I'm not sure why they would think it's a good idea to do it like that, but it's the first time I've seen it. I'm hoping these actually still have some good color on it, just because he did say they would be blonde, maybe, but I hope they're blue. I think they are juvenile. I'm not sure yet, and this is going in the Fluval Edge 6-gallon shrimp tank that I've been setting up the past couple weeks. Actually, all 4 different types of shrimp are going in there, and actually are all capable of being housed together. And they actually don't look half bad. I could see a lot of blue in there. They got housed with moss just to hold on to. They look really nice. There is some type of... It's probably going to be hard for you guys to see them. But, I mean, you could see little shadows in there swimming around. But they actually look really, really nice. Doesn't look like there's any dead ones in there, or any blonde ones. They're pretty blue. So I am gonna put these in the 6-gallon. I'm not gonna show you guys them yet. I want to wait for all the other shrimp to get here. I'd planned for them all to get here today. But the other 2 types, the guy who's I'm getting them from, don't know why he didn't send them in when I bought them, but whatever. So yeah, I'll be posting a video with all of them in about a few days. I don't know how long exactly, but yeah, thanks for watching.